Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have 3 cases for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. Today I will be reviewing 3 cases from Speck. I have used Speck before for other devices. They make some of the best fitting, some of the best grip cases out there for your device. I think they're pretty well known. Yes, they did send me these cases for a review, so we'll make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Can your wireless charge? Does it have bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. You can get these cases from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. But they sent me out their Perfect Clear, the Presidio Perfect Mist, and then also the Presidio 2 grip case. Probably one of the best. But let's check out the clear. Nice packaging from Speck. It says 13-foot drop protection, or 13 feet drop protection. Nice packaging. So the back is hard. Now this will show off the beauty, but also you will get fingerprints. But here's what I'm talking about. Listen. You see how hard? Let's just test out the fit right away. No, look. No play. I mean, I can't move it. And then to get this case off, you really have to work that off. I mean, that one of the best fitting cases that I have. And also the power button feels good. Make sure the volume rockers are nice and easy to press. Nice and tactile. Everything lines up at the bottom. Now the only thing is the pen. No, the pen is pretty easy to get out. You get camera protection. Do y'all like the individual cutouts, or are y'all okay with how case companies just do that one big cutout? Y'all let me know in the comments. You also get lip action. So you don't have to worry about your phone touching your table. You get a lot there too. You have a little Speck brand in there. Now this one definitely fits really good, y'all. Do y'all think we can wireless charge? Yes, no problem there. So this is the Presidio Perfect Grip Case. Man, no extra bulk to this phone with this case in there too, and it's grippy too. I mean, I don't feel like I'm gonna drop the phone with this case on it. So yeah, I like the clear cases from them. Let's move it on. Let's keep it going. Here is the Presidio Perfect Mist case. Now this one won't show off the beauty, and it won't attract as many fingerprints though. But it still has that hard plastic to protect your phone. Let's see. The fit is about the same. Look, there's no play, y'all. This has to be some of the best fitting cases. And just to get it off, look, I'm definitely one of the best fitting cases. Power button feels good. Volume rockers are easy to press, nice and tactile. The microphone cutout is precise. Everything at the bottom lines up. You have a lot of room there. You also have a lot of room to get your pen out. I like this one. I like this one too. Yeah, it doesn't show off the beauty, but it protects your phone. Doesn't attract as much fingerprints. The camera cutout, I mean, I kind of like it when it's individually cut out, but that works. They could at least made it go up here like that a little bit more. You get the same lip action as the other one. Yes, you do. What y'all think? This one is nice too. Doesn't add bulk to your phone at all. You can tell there, not a bulky case. So it adds the grip. It protects your device. Looks great on your device. The fit is awesome. Can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge with this case on it with no issues either. So this is the perfect mist case. Let's try the next one out. All right, so the last one is the Presidio 2 grip. Now, this same packaging from them, if y'all want to pause that. This has to be one of the best gripping cases that you can get for your phone. Look, this has grip. These things add grip. I love how this case looks. I like the little logo there. Again, will protect your phone from drops. What y'all think? How y'all think this is gonna fit? Is it almost too tight? Let's test out the fit right away. Same fit. And trying to get it off. Same type of thing there too. The power button, nice and tactile. The vine rockers are nice and easy to press. The cutout looks good. You get that same camera protection there. Also the same lip action in the front. You have the same room. Everything at the bottom lines up. Now in this one, it's a little bit harder to get the pen out just because how they have it. But if you come from the side, it's not that bad. Not bad to get the pen out. You have a lot of room down there for the cutouts too. But the number one thing, it's called the Presidio grip, is because the grip that you get with this case. Again, it doesn't add bulk to your phone, but you get, I mean, if you want a grippy case, if you want a case that fits really snug, this is the case that you might want to pick up. I just love how it fits. Now you can get all these cases from Amazon. Can you wireless charge? Again, I don't think you'll have a problem. Not an issue. You can wireless charge without a problem. Do you like the grip? Or maybe you're more of a perfect clear, or you might like the mist case. Which one was your favorite? Y'all let me know in the description below or the comments. Like I said earlier, you can get these cases from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.